Hey there. So earlier this year, I wanted to get a set of GMK Noire keycaps. Unfortunately, those are really hard to find, so I decided, hey, why not try making a copy through Yuzu keycaps? And so I did that, and then eventually I caved and I bought myself an actual set of GMK Noire. So I figured I'd take a look and compare what Yuzu has to offer compared to GMK. Let's take a look. Now, when I ordered the Yuzu set, I didn't realize I technically ordered the wrong Yuzu set. And because it was the wrong set, I actually don't have the mod keys needed for this board. So I ended up substituting a few of the GMK keys on this side. And as you can tell, the GMK keys are a bit darker than the Yuzu keys. Overall, I prefer the GMK set over the Yuzu. If we're comparing the look and feel, the black on the GMK makes the Yuzu keycaps look washed out. They also feel a bit more textured than the Yuzu set. On its own, the Yuzu doesn't look terrible, and I actually like the stronger beige tone on the Legends more than on the GMK set, since it stands out a bit more. But side to side, the GMK set just looks better, and I think I like the sound on it a bit more too. It makes me wonder if the other colors are going to have a similar washed out appearance, but it's also possible that I just selected the wrong colors in the Yuzu designer. But I'm pretty sure this was the only black option available. Having done this, I'd probably only recommend Yuzu or other custom keycap services if the set you're looking for is completely out of print and only available aftermarket at inflated prices with no clones available. If the GMK set you want is still available at retail price, I'd lean towards that a bit more. Neither's going to be cheap, so pick your poison and enjoy the hobby. See ya.